Session 14. IP family. I can zip. Mom, look, I can zip my jacket, said the boy. Great job, said his mom, watching him with pride. First, I put it on, he said. Next, I put my hands by my hips. Then, I hold my jacket at the tip. As he went to zip it up, he almost slipped on the ice, but quickly regained his balance. Last, I go up, 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 zip, 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 he said, while successfully zipping up his jacket. His mom clipped his gloves onto his jacket, and the two of them headed out for a walk. Be careful not to trip on any more ice, said Mom. Now answer these questions. You can answer these questions in the comment box below. Question 1. What did the boy show his mom that he could do? Question 2. What did the mom do to make sure the boy didn't lose his gloves? Question 3. Where did boy and mom go after jacket and gloves prep? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share World Pointer.